The night had stayed too long, it seemed. The dawn delayed its soft surprise. But something whispered through dreams, "You're not yet done. It's time to rise." I stood on trembling, weary feet, with scars that told of where I've been. Each wound a lesson, not defeat. Each fall a place where grace stepped in. I brushed the dust. I faced the sky and felt the breath of hope again. For even those who break and cry can bloom beneath remembered rain. The past no longer called my name. The fear no longer claimed my soul. I rose, not perfect, not the same, but wiser, softer, and made whole again. Yes.